What's going on? It's Sean. We're back at it again. And in today's video, I'm going to quickly break down how you can calculate your net worth.
Here we go.
If you are finding my channel for the first time, we're all about self-help and entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, I encourage you to subscribe. With that out of the way, let's jump right into it. Now you may be asking yourself, Sean, what is a net worth? What does that mean? Basically what it is it's what you own versus what you owe. So that means your assets, what you own, versus your liabilities, what you owe. So the way to really just calculate your net worth is to take all your assets, add them up, and subtract all your liabilities. So everything you own minus everything you owe. So your assets are anything that generates income or provides some sort of value financially to you. And your liabilities are just the opposite of that. They're anything that you have to pay for out of pocket or somehow decrease in value, and thus affecting your worth because that item is now less valuable, if that makes sense. So a quick example, let's say you own a $300,000 home, but you still have a mortgage balance on that home of $200,000. That would leave you with a net worth of $100,000 because your equity in that property is only $100,000 because you still have a liability of a mortgage to that mortgage lender of that $200,000, which you still have to pay. And this is where a lot of people will say, well, yes, a house is your best asset, which I kind of disagree with because even though you have a home and you can pull equity out of it, or if you sell it, you'll gain that money, you're still paying for it every month. It's not providing any value. It's not generating any income, which is why I'm so heavy on investment properties. And now if you have any questions about anything real estate related, whether it be the home buying process, investment properties, etc., shoot me an email, let's connect, leave me a comment, and I'm happy to help and provide you that value. Happy to be an asset for you in any way that I can. So that was a quick breakdown of how to calculate net worth, what the difference is between assets and liabilities are, and how you can use calculating your net worth to your advantage to try to improve your financial situation. And so a really cool thing about calculating your net worth, even though you're going to have more assets and more liabilities to add up, it kind of makes it a game. Whereas I know that I have this $200,000 principal on my mortgage, but as I pay that down, I'm increasing my net worth. So maybe that'll give you some inspiration to increase those principal payments or figure out some other creative way to pay down that mortgage faster to increase your equity to gain more net worth. So thank you so much for watching. If you did find some value out of this video, make sure you give it a like and share it. This lets YouTube know that it was a good video and you don't know who may just need to see it. So I appreciate you. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.